I'm Justin Lane with Sealevel Construction. We've been in business in Thibodaux, Louisiana since 1997. We specialize in municipal, industrial, land and marine civil construction. Major applications that we specialize in are bulkheads, flood control structures for Terrebonne Parish, included pump stations, floodgates. We looked at several machines when we were deciding on the purchase of the Hyundai. There were several factors that went into our decision. Obviously, price, availability at the time, what options and features came with the machine, the capabilities, the lifting capacities, all those factors went into play. We purchased the Hyundai 900L excavator. We chose the 900L excavator because of the relationship and the great people at State Machinery. They provide excellent service after the sale, not just once they sell you the piece of equipment, you never hear from them again. If there were any issues pop up, we felt comfortable we would get great service from them, quick response time, and they would work with us on anything moving forward to resolve any issues that could possibly come up. We looked at several machines when we were deciding on the purchase of the Hyundai. The additional GPS components was a big factor that went into play. The GPS function that came with the machine not only allows us to track the machine, track the hours, maintain, keep up with maintenance, it also allows our operators to see exactly what material they're placing, the elevations that they're placing it at, and eliminates the need for outside labor and equipment to come in and survey as you place or excavate material. So this cuts down tremendously on our labor, rental equipment, outside rentals. It speeds up our installation time. There's just countless variables that the GPS option with this machine gives us advantages to.
I'm Tyler Duplantis with Sealevel Construction. I'm a project manager here. I've been here for 4 years. Whenever we took a look at the competitors and what we've seen, how these projects are executed in the past, a lot of times companies use one machine for one type of application, which really goes into why we were able to look at streamlining one piece of equipment to be able to be used for multiple functions or multiple types of projects. The long front that we have on it with a smaller bucket allows us to do any type of mechanical dredging or digging or material handling as far as placement or transferring from a barge to land or vice versa. Whenever we put on a material handling front with either a grapple that we purchased or a transfer clamshell bucket, we're able to handle either larger material or a heavier material, and it really allows us to change our setup, if you would, for the project, and it allows us to meet the project specific needs. Up to this point, we've had no downtime that I'm aware of. The service and our maintenance has been very streamlined, easy, and has worked out really well for us.